Ready?
Yes, sir. Oh my God, they look insane. Whoa! You almost took my eye out.
So
what are you chatting about, mate?
Oh, are you? Oh, this is your vlog. Okay, hold on. We got to start this again. Right, we're here. Just broken in. Sorry, we've got permission to be here. So we're doing some stuff with Butch. We're gonna set off a colossal amount of smoke grenades. The more than anyone's ever seen on any video ever. And that is the clickbait title right there, you know. And we'll let you know how the pictures look when we get back.
Welcome back to another video. So we're out here. I'm with Butch and Ash from, am I allowed to say who we're with?
Yeah. Okay,
we're with EG Smoke Grenades. We didn't do anything in town, so that weren't us. Was it, Ash?
No, it wasn't.
And we've just got some crazy stuff. So we've just been shooting a whole bunch of stuff, and now we're gonna get the golden hour with my man Butch right here.
Hi guys, I'd like to show you something. These are called the SD75. SD75. Look how massive this is. Look how it's like the biggest
head size. Look at that. That is incredible.
I know. And we're gonna be doing two at the same time. Look at the size of this. This thing covers my face.
So get ready for these pictures and cinematics.
Bombs.
Oh, dude, it's going to be demonetized because of that.
Oh no! Just beep it out. Bleep.
It's definitely going to be demonetized now, but these are going to be crazy. So we're going to set it up on a mound. I think my man's bringing another Discovery up. He's going to go off-roading. I think he's going to park it on the mound.
That's it.
And there's going to be smoke everywhere. So get ready, guys. Oh, I can hear him coming up. Like if you haven't already, and check out these cinematics.
Hey guys, also I need to show you guys something. Where is it? If you ever use these products, don't be a dick. I'm just joking.
It's got it written on the label though. So if you buy these products, don't be a dick and don't do them next to a Lloyd's Bank in a town.
I'm only going to set them off after these ones have gone, essentially. Yeah.
Hey, could you come here for a second?
Hey, gather your nuggets. Gather your nuggets, Butch.
Here, so hold it right there so I can put it in the middle. My hand can block it right there, see?
Oh yes, we're making a bomb.
Nice. That was fucking epic. With all them colours, that was fucking epic.
That was a lot of smoke.
Yeah. Good job. Thank you.
What's that, buddy?
go in the ditch underneath.
Yeah.
Set off loads of pyro.
Good job.
That could be cool. That's exactly why we need it. Bigger is better. Yes.
Wait, dude.
We all wear masks, metaphorically speaking.
Are we waiting for something, or should we just get
What's it?
started
What
now?
is it, Dave? Gnarly? It's gnarly, right?
It's gnarly with the super dry tee on.
Yeah. See that contrast? You love that contrast, dude.
Where did your outfit go? You had like some Matrix. Oh my god! You
I
can
was
hear
getting
it
too
coming.
warm, man. Might be a bit stuck.
Oh, is you stuck in there?
Get out.
I'll have to winch it out then.
There you go. Excuse me, the wind.
Oh, that does look great though. Zombie killing machine. That front wheel all right? Have you come prepared for the day out?
I have. Not enough.
Can I just get a quick zoom in on the
So
on
these.
Talk us through. Obviously, this guy right here is Ash from EG, and he's been arranging the whole day with the Lloyds Bank photo
So
shoot.
these are the SD75s. So these are predominantly used by professional skydivers. These things are they're biblical. There's no other way to describe them. So these are gonna literally block out the sun. Title for the video right there.
Alright guys, we're about to shoot the big boys. So I'm going to set it up over here, and I'm just going to crack a whole load off with the 135 long lens. But we've got gold now, and that sunlight is looking powerful. Drop a like real quick.
Holy Toledo!
Oh, hey Butch, bro. Good work, man. That was incredible.
Now let's do it again. I mean, did you get the levitation?
Dude, I got a whole bunch of lever ties.
Lever ties.
Look at the smoke. We have dominated this region. Shout out to EG Smoke Grenades for this. Superdry isn't sponsoring this video, by the way. Yeah, just send it full send, bro.
We need it to work for a while.
It's a double. You have to be quick. Throw it on and now.
Go!
Go, go, go!
Woohoo! Yeah, baby! Don't try this at home, folks.
Wow! That is incredible. Wait, when are you drop kicking your lens? Is he drop kicking his lens? Oh, come on, man.
The SD's out of the way.
Oh, I thought you were going to drop kick the lens.
Did you like that? Oh, they put those there.
I like it better if there's a lens drop kick involved as well.
No, I'm not drop kicking my lens, man.
Are you happy now, mate?
I'm happy now. I'm happy. I can.
Show us then.
So, oh, here we go. So you can sit there and it's like a machine gun. Ready?
Yep.
Oh! And I want to do another one. So, hey, hold on. Like, okay, ready?
Yes, sir. Oh my god, that looked insane. Oh, you almost took my eye out. Wow. This is.
Behind me, right?
No, you're good. You're good. Keep your finger down. Just keep firing, dude. Keep firing. He's coming towards us.
Are you sure he's coming towards us? I don't know.
Oh my god, that's insane. Watch the tripod, people. The tripod's gone. Oh my god, you're an absolute animal. Get in there, Super Dry.
Camera on the phone.
Oh my god.
Come here, guys.
Yeah, it's nice.
One more time, come closer.
Hold on. There you go then. Oh no, I wasn't doing it then. 3, 2, 1, go. You changed my life, Dave. What the hell?
Oh my god. Plumes for days.
Plumes for days.
Oh my god, we've taken over an entire farm. Oh my, look at that! Dude, it's literally everywhere. How you feeling, Butch? Here to hold his lungs for like 15 minutes in there.
This is what an alligator is. Oh, look at the red alert flag in the front.
Oh my.
It changed my goddamn life, Dave. What the hell?
Wow, that's a really good photo.
Well, you know, I mean, no help, no outside influence of the slightest.
I didn't get it on my feet, did I?
Thank you very much.
Good, please tell me, because this is a custom made, the red one.
Good job. Good job, Butch.
You got some on your arm, but
No, the arm's whatever.
yeah. Oh,
Literally crazy.
like 1 a minute.
Alright guys, we're going to bring this video to a close. Shout out to Butch for just
We're doing one more.
losing his lungs.
We're doing one more.
Ash-
Wait,
Ash
hold on,
will fix his camera.
we're doing one more.
Oi. Oh, you almost lost an eyeball then. Were you wearing gloves?
Incredible. Still going. Technically, you're not holding the product, so I'm happy.
Alright guys, we're going to bring this video to an end. As you can see, all of the smoke behind. We've got Butch over here
Hey guys.
and Ash from EG.
How's it going?
Beat Up Discovery just left.
Shout out to the red alert guys.
My guy. And yeah, look at that. I hope you like the visuals on that. I'm going to attach some pictures throughout, and then good work guys. Say goodbye to the vlog. And
Take it easy guys.
we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.